Hey, got this box trailer. One owner. I bought it brand new down in Oklahoma. I think 3 years ago. I'll look that up and put it in the description. Pretty darn good shape. Got a spare tire for it. Got a few handrails in it. There's a spare tire. You got a golf cart for an extra $2,000, but I like to keep it. You know, the back door opens fine. No problems. I will go ahead and open it and let you know. Let you see it. I may have to edit this thing. Okay, we do the unlatch here. Handle. Looks good. It's got a tiny bit of oil stain in the floor of it. Paneling's all good. It's been about 50% of its life in the carport and the other 50% out in the heat.